going to show you how you can save up to $53, so if you want to find out how, just keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Celeste, and today I'm going to show you how to change the cabin filter in your car. This is really simple and easy. It's going to take you less than 2 minutes, and you're going to save a lot of money, and that's what we love to do on this channel, is save lots of money. So, I will be changing the cabin filter in my 2013 Honda Civic from Amazon for, I think it was like $8.95. And when I went to the dealership, they quoted me that a new cabin filter for my car would be $61.95. So you're saving, I believe it's $52.95 exactly by doing this yourself. Show you back here kind of like the steps, and it'll also tell you that you need to change this every 12 months or up to 12,000 miles. And I'll link this in the description below. I also have a video on how to change your engine filter as well, and that's really simple, so I'll link that down below. So to get started, you're just going to come over to your car, and your cabin filter is going to be in your glove box right here. And I'm pretty sure this is pretty universal for most cars. So what you're going to do is just take everything out of your glove box, and then your glove box kind of sits on these two little wheels, I guess is what you would call them. You're going to push those in, and then this is going to drop down. And then this whole thing is going to fall down like that. You want to come in here. Now once that drops down, there's going to be, it says airflow right here, and right above this is where your cabin filter sits, and there's two little notches. You're just going to pull those in, and that's going to come off. And this is your cabin filter. It just slides right out. And then you're going to just go ahead and replace it with the new one. You'll just go ahead and take your new one, and you'll just slide that back in. Pretty simple. You're just going to take this and pop this back on. And then this will just slide, you push this back up, and then you're going to go right back to where we pushed it in before. Slide it in again. It's going to pop in. You just put everything back in your glove box, close it, and just like that, you saved yourself $53. It's really simple, really easy, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any suggestions for future videos that I should do, or let me know, and I'll try to make that happen for you guys. Bye!